Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Lotos LTP5000D. This plasma cutter weighs just 26 pounds and offers 50 amps of cutting power, enough to go through inch steel. This machine has input voltage for 120 or 240 volt power input. One thing that users didn't like is the lack of a 120 volt connector in the box. The LTP5000D has a 60% duty cycle at the full 50 amp rating. Lotos offers a 1-year warranty on this plasma cutter. This machine is rated highly by users for its cutting performance. Some users don't like the quality of the grounding clamp on this machine, but Lotos has received good marks for its warranty service when there have been problems. Let's watch more. Our second best plasma cutter under 1000 is Eastwood Versacut60. This unit has a very large cut thickness of inches, which is the highest parameter to be featured on our list. The materials that the Eastwood Versacut60 plasma cutter can successfully process include mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum, which also happens to be one of the largest here. The Eastwood Versacut60 plasma cutter is a portable unit, which adds to its ease of use. Furthermore, the unit comes with an adjustable air pressure regulator. Let's watch more about this product. Number 3 in our list is Weld Pro Cut60 New Hampshire. This inverter contact pilot arc plasma cutter is a quite reliable unit with a power rating of 20 to 60 amps, as well as an input voltage of 115/230 volts. This plasma cutter can be used for various tasks and projects. The Weld Pro Cut60 NH inverter contact pilot arc plasma cutter can deal with everything from 24-gauge steel to 0.787-inch metals. Some of the additional features that the product offers are a blowback start and high temperature and overload protection. It uses 50.7 to 65.3 psi and has a 60% at 60 a duty cycle. Unfortunately, some people found it a bit too large and bulky for the parameters it has, but this is a minor drawback. Let's watch more.
Hi there, I'm Luke from Weld Pro, and today I want to talk about our flagship TIG 200 welder. Today I want to do an unboxing for you. I want to take everything out of the package and show you exactly what comes with it, so when you get your welder, you'll know what to expect and how to set it up. So today I'm going to start by taking everything out of this box piece by piece and showing you exactly what comes in it. One of the first and most important things is the manual. I know it's often overlooked, but the reality is Weld Pro has done a great job of putting together some resources that will give you tips and tricks along with some safety information to help you do better when you get started welding. Alright, so in addition to the manual, we also have the welding machine that will come out of the box first. It can be helpful to have a second person to hold the bottom of the box while you pull the machine out. The first thing you'll notice in here is the CK TIG torch kit. CK Worldwide has been making TIG torches for a very long time, and this is an extremely high quality TIG torch. Now this is the CK Worldwide Superflex torch, so it comes with the red Superflex hose. If you've never TIG welded with one of these CK Superflex, it is an extremely nice torch. Alright, so this CK Superflex kit comes with a neat accessory. This is a hand switch for the CK torch. So what you do is if you're working in a confined space or somewhere where it might be difficult to operate a foot pedal, disconnect the foot pedal. You install this switch on your torch head, route the cable down the entire torch hose, and then this connector plugs in right on the front of the machine where the foot pedal goes. This will allow you to operate by hand the TIG torch if you're in a confined welding position. Something you'll see we include with our package here at Weld Pro is the hose protector. Now this is a zippered cover that goes over your TIG torch hose and over any additional wires to help protect it from sparks, from stepping on it, or from any other hazards that might be in the area. This is a nice heavy duty hose cover. It does have a zipper on it so it can unzip and zip back up. It is very easy to install, and we'll be doing that in the setup video, which will be part 2 of the TIG 200. This is going to contain your flow meter. The flow meter accurately regulates gas flow to your TIG torch while you're welding. In part 2 of this series, we'll show you how to install this and set it correctly. Alright, the next thing you might notice in your box is the actual foot pedal itself. The foot pedal is how we control our amperage when we're TIG welding. Think of it like a car accelerator. The more you push down, the faster you go. The more you back off, the slower you go. The TIG foot pedal gets plugged in right on the front of the machine with this connector. Also included in the box, you'll notice, is the hose for your flow meter. If you don't have 220 or 240 volt power, that's okay, because Weld Pro includes, with all of its dual voltage machines, the adapter to go from 110 volts to 220 volts. Now the plug on the machine includes the 220-240 volt plug. This adapter comes with each machine that is dual voltage and allows you to plug into a 15 or 20 amp 110 volt receptacle. One of the most important things to welding is your actual ground clamp. If you can't send electricity to your workpiece, what good is it? So they've included the ground clamp with the ground cable on it. This is a very high quality clamp with an extremely strong spring. It takes me a lot to get it open, but that's what you want because that will give you a secure connection to your workpiece. Here at Weld Pro, we include a stinger or an electrode holder for every machine capable of stick welding. Alright, so in your accessory bag, you're going to find 2 pieces of tungsten, one of which is for aluminum and one of which for mild steel and other non-ferrous metals. We'll talk a little more about tungsten in our upcoming videos. You'll notice some other TIG parts in this bag, including the stem, or often known as the back cap for the TIG torch. You'll also notice is included a 3/32 collet body. There's a 3/32 collet insert for the collet body. The last thing in the bag are gas cups. There are sizes 4, 5, and 6. If you're not sure what to do with these, just hang tight. In coming videos, we'll show you the importance of sizing your gas cup correctly to your weld. Alright, so that's everything that comes in the factory TIG 200 box. A lot of really nice accessories and products. Now, what you'll want to do is check out part 2 of this TIG 200 video series where I walk you through the assembly and the setup of this welding machine and all of its components. Thank you for tuning in today, and thank you for purchasing a Weld Pro machine. Our commitment to quality guarantees that your welder is going to run for a long time to come. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Don't forget to take a minute and hit the subscribe button below. We're going to be releasing several video series of tutorials that will teach you how to weld anything from stick, MIG, TIG, ferrous, non-ferrous metals, plasma arc cutting, and any of those types of processes. If you're interested in any of that stuff and you'd like to learn as we go, hit subscribe so that you can be a part of our production series. Thanks so much for tuning in. Again, I'm Luke from Weld Pro, and we cannot wait to see what you build with your new welder.
Our fourth pick is Lotos LTP-DC 2000D. One of the main advantages of this model is that it can function as both a plasma cutter as well as a welder. As a plasma cutter, it has the power of 10 to 50 A, and when using it for welding, it has the power of 15 to 200 A. The Lotos LTP-DC 2000D has a 1-year warranty on all its parts as well as its labor, which will guarantee customer satisfaction and quality of the product for some time after the purchase. Last in our list is FORNEY 250P+. Plasma cutters without a drag torch can be difficult to use because the torch needs to stay a certain distance off the cutting surface to provide high-quality cutting. With drag torch ability, the torch head can be placed directly on the metal and literally dragged to make the cut. There's a delay of a few seconds between striking the arc and starting the cut that adds up when making multiple separate cuts in a day. The FORNEY 250P+ carries a 3-year warranty and has integrated consumables storage. Let's watch more about this product.
Let's go through the features and benefits of the FORNEY 250P plasma cutter. This machine includes a torch, ground clamp, and box of consumables. It uses drag torch technology, which allows you to move the torch directly across the metal for precise cuts. The 250P+ can cut up to 1/8 inch steel and severs up to 1/4 inch. This machine is extremely portable, and it uses standard household 120 volt power and includes a built-in air compressor and lightweight inverter. Other features include internal cooling fan, thermal overload protection, and post airflow for longer consumable life. This CSA certified machine is ideal for auto body, farm and ranch, HVAC, plumbing, and contractor use. It comes with our standard 531 FORNEY warranty. For more information, please visit FORNEYIND.com or askforney.com.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!